Okay.
But so the main relay panel here, we have overrides up here, these red buttons for the relays.
Okay.
The electrician's going to leave a schedule so you know what relays control what.
Okay.
But if you have to manually override the relays, you can get in here and just push these red buttons, and that'll turn the relays off. When the blue light goes out, it means the relay is off, the load is off. Then you just come back in, press those, and it'll turn all those back on again.
Okay.
If for some reason, maybe say lightning were to hit the building, fry this card down here, this is the brains down here. If this were to get fried, you can go in with a flathead screwdriver. I like to demonstrate using just a car key. You can go in, you see these little notches over here on the relay.
Yeah.
You can actually physically turn these relays off by pushing and sliding these. And then you see the blue lights here indicate that they are turned off. But
Okay.
so if this board were to get fried and you needed to manually turn on your lights, you can do that. You get in there with a car key, a flathead screwdriver, if you have strong fingernails.
Okay.
But that is how you'd manually override.
Okay.
These buttons down here are called group buttons. The outdoor lighting will be on this one. I haven't programmed this panel yet, but the outdoor lighting will be on this one. I believe the branch corridors, like A, B, C, D, are going to be on this one. Your main corridor here, I'm probably going to put on 2. I'll have a schedule that you guys can print out, maybe leave in each panel.
Yes.
But just pushing those, it'll turn groups of relays on and off. But as I said, I don't have that programmed just yet. But the panels talk to each other, so the master panel will talk to this panel, and vice versa, so that if somebody comes in here and toggles the outdoor lights on from here, it will then turn the outdoor lights on in the other panel over there as well. So that's the basics of that. You can also use the handheld to communicate with the panel. Can you turn it on, go down to more, down to panel setup, and it'll tell you to point to desired sensor and press select. The infrared sensor here is right up here, so we can just stand right here and it will bring up our panel menu. So location's already set, date and time is already set, but that's all set in the other panel in the boiler room. Button binding, you don't have to worry about them. I'm going to set all that up. Panel programming, actually let's go to the other panel and show you over there, because that's the main panel. So